Hapa tuko kwa sababu hao wanasema imechukua muda.
And the reason as to why wanasema imechukua muda ni kwa sababu EACC mumelala kwa kazi. You find the same investigation inaendelea na bado Mandago, bado Chelilim anaenda kwa mkutano kuambia wazazi hakuna penye hiyo vitu naenda. That is interference na investigation. So you cannot be telling us hiki tujaendelea na tunapigwa vita pale. Tunanuliwa goons. Kuna watu kama kina Cosmas wamenunua goons kufuata wanafunzi na wazazi Cosmas. So this is why we are here. Why can't you stop these guys from doing politics out of this thing? We want to see nyinyi mmetoa order, tag them mpaka uchunguzi ikamilike. No, we cannot be fooling each other here. That's why juzi tulikaa chini na we told them point blank. Uchunguzi ikamilike. So you cannot be telling me when ni governor and when ni senator na unatopiga vita na wanasema hakuna mahali penye sisi wanaenda hata mnasafutwa kazi. So you must tell us, are you really up to the task? And if not, hii barabara zitafunga. Secondly, you know, counties imekuwa sasa imedevolve. Corruption imedevolve from the national government to the counties. EACC Eldoret or this region is not feasible. We don't know. What do you do in this county? Watu wamelia, wamekuwa kwa barabara. Mpaka hiyo recommendation na county assembly imekuja kwenu. La maajabu ni ya kwamba Joseph Maritim ambaye ni principal trustee amekuwa suspended, lakini mna allow our officers onto account. Na this is the only way.
Tumekuja hapa EACC leo kuomba usaidizi. Sasa hii kesi mumepewa kitambo sana. Na leo we have brought faces to the names. We are not only books. Sisi si majina peke yake. Tunataka mtu saidie kabisa. EACC, hii kesi imeletwa. Kila siku tukienda mkutano county wanatuambia kesi iko under review na EACC. Mumefanya nini? Hatutaki story. Nataka mjue mimi naitwa Masi Jebet. Nimelipa pesa. Jina yangu iko among hiyo bank statement ikionyesha kwamba tulideposit pesa. Hamwezi tuambia kila siku kwamba it is under review and it is 6 months down the line. People are depressed, people are sick. What are you doing about it? Mimi si jina peke yake. This is my face. I have dreams, I have aspirations. Kuna mahali nataka kuenda kwa hii maisha. Na sasa msikae na faili yangu huko mkiangalia sijui pesa gani imefanyiwa nini na nani na mnaogopa kuwa bring to book. Bring them to book. People are leaving the country. Their kids have left the country. Which money have they used? Look at those books of theirs. Look at their bank statements. Bring them to book. Si kila siku tutakuwa tunakuja tukiambiwa EACC wanaangalia. Mumeangalia mumefika wapi? Hatutaki story, tumechoka. Mimi niko na dreams, maisha yangu inasonga. 6 months yenye mumepewa, bado mnatuambia mnaendelea kuangalia mna review na life is moving on. In the next generation I should be a mother. I don't have a job. I sell uji and I should have gone to Canada and you are silent. Please do not be silent on this case. Bring them to book. Do not be cowed. You are a grown man. I am a young girl. I was not afraid to tell them the truth. Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid to lose your life if you are doing the right thing. Tafadhali tupiganie. Mimi ni mdogo na niliwaambia watuambie ukweli, tumechoka. Na nataka nikwambie leo pia sisi tumechoka na EACC. Mtusaidie kabisa. Kama hamtatusaidia mtuambie ni nini tutafanya, ama tukujange tukae kwa hii gate yenu the whole day, ama tuende tukae kwa gate ya county the whole day, ama tukae kwa barabara ndo wananchi watusaidie basi. Kwa sababu mkituambia it is under review, what are you doing? No, we are very tired. Help us bring this matter into a swift conclusion. Every child here has dreams. Janet here has dreams. Sharon has dreams. Caro has dreams. Brian has dreams. Kevin has dreams. We do not want to die. Some are threatening to commit suicide, and you are silent. You are silent, and you are put in office to help us. You cannot be silent. You cannot be silent at such a time as this. Our country is at a crossroads, and if you remain silent, we will leave you behind. Let me tell you today, we will leave you behind. There are more capable people to run this commission, more than you. There are more capable people. There are more capable people. I'm not saying I'm coming for your job. I just want you to know that do not be so comfortable in that seat that you tell us you are giving us utatupea feedback na hatuoni. People are suffering. There are people who have graduated with finance, with MBA in finance. There are people who have graduated with they are doctors. They can do this job. Please do your job. If you cannot do your job, tell the public. We will find someone else who will do this job and bring this matter into a swift conclusion. That is it. Yes, John.
Cherotich. What I want to say, we are here because of haki yetu, Bwana Regional Commissioner. Yesterday, the other day when we were in the meeting, the only thing our leaders tried to say was that our money was used to pay for other parents. As a regional commissioner, just tell us, is it good or what is it? What is it that they just took our money and used for other parents? Is it not a crime?
Yeah, the admission of guilt direct.
What is that? Now our leaders are coming to our meetings telling us such things. Already what they are telling us are crimes, and they are calling themselves leaders. As a leader of EACC, do your part. This is a government parastatal. County government of Uasin Gishu is a government parastatal. I know in one way or another you might even join and kutukanyaga, because we have nothing. We are poor, we don't have. We only have the faces, we have the hands, we have everything. But we know you as parastatals, you might now target to kutukanyagia sisi. So, as our regional commissioner, this is what I am telling you. From the bottom of your heart, work as if you are working for your daughter. Work as if you are working for your son. Work as if you are working for your father and your mother. This is a case that is leading your parents into depression, leading your daughters and sons into depression. The one Mercy said that he threatened to commit suicide. It was me. I posted in my Facebook page, and it was the truth. Being the hope of your parents, and then all of a sudden the leaders who are elected robbed from the same parents, is a story that will never be told in this world. We are wondering with the leadership we have in Uasin Gishu County.
Benjamin K. Cheboson. I'm a resident of Uasin Gishu Eldoret and one of the victims among the students. Over 300 students who are crying in streets, who are crying in their homes, seeking for justice. Today, we have demonstrated peacefully to work in these premises of EACC, and we want to thank the leaders and the head of EACC for coming out and speaking to us. But I want to submit on behalf of many students who will not speak here today, that there are a lot of things and sufferings that these guys are undergoing. If you have enabled or you have got an opportunity to attend one of the meetings that these parents and students are submitting their cries, if you are well human, then you will feel the pain that the Uasin Gishu government did to these parents and students. It's not an easy task for us to take our time and come walking in these streets, crying, shouting, up to this moment, seeking for justice. Many of my colleagues have spoke, but I want to ask the EACC team. We have only one bank account of this trust fund. How long does it take you to acquire the statement of those guys who are withdrawing money directly? How long will it take you to call them and question them on their lifestyle audit? There are just few officials who are handling this program, isn't it? Yes. There are very few. How long does it take? This is just an account, it's not a government where we follow the act of the government. No, it's just a matter of finding the statement and asking questions. We want to know when this program was initiated, what money from the county government was set aside to run the logistics of the officials and pay the staff of that program. We have officials sitting in those offices, isn't it? Yes. What money are they using to travel to Nairobi to acquire visas and do everything? Why will a governor not acquire a report from officials from daily to daily withdrawals? The other time we had a meeting and we heard from one of the parents giving the information of a lot of withdrawals, millions of money, millions of parents' money assets that was sent to these bank accounts. It's so unfortunate, and we are really sorry for this county government of Uasin Gishu because they have failed in leadership. And that's why we have stepped here today to ask the EACC team, can you hasten your steps, give us the report? And these leaders know exactly what happened. But because they are protecting, and I will quote that, Uasin Gishu, home of president, Uasin Gishu is a home where we have a lot of leaders who they have not been followed by EACC because of corruption cases, so they don't want to spoil the name of a person. Leaders, today you are here. Tomorrow I'll be here, and let me promise you, if you not do it, give me 5 years, I'll be in your chair, and I'll do exactly what is supposed to be done for the community justice. It's not fair to get letters, get calls from colleagues threatening themselves like they want to commit suicide.
Chadrak Kiprop, mzazi ya mwanafunzi mwenye anatakana au ameenda Finland. Juzi wiki uliopita mimi nikatuma msichana yangu aende aangalie pesa yenye tuliambiwa na county government to deposit hiyo pesa, ndio mtoto aende atafute visa itumike kama statement. But because I was not able to raise that money enough, I was able to raise 100,000 nikaweka kwa account ya mtoto. Kuweka kwa account ya mtoto, mtoto akaenda visa, na hiyo visa bado tunangojea. Kurudi nikakuja juzi watoto wanataka wafunge shule, niko na mtoto ya form 4 anataka fukuzwa, nikaambia mtoto aende atoe hiyo pesa kidogo tumalizie ule mtoto wa form 4. Kufika account anaambiwa hakuna pesa, and it is personal account, ambapo mpaka saa hii nasikia mbaya. Tukakuja kurudi kwao, wanasema mpaka ati governor assign barua ya kusema pesa iwekwe kwa hiyo account, na iliali account ni ya mtoto. Is that justice?
No. What I'm commenting is not a process of investigation. I've not given you any details of the findings. I'm only saying yes, confirming to the public that we have a complaint such as the one you are crying about, and with that complaint, what is the commission doing according to its mandate? So stop speaking about it is not a problem. We are not going to speak on. I've not told you who is to be taken to court. I've not told you what amount of money. I've not told you the details of an investigation. But I've said we are handling that matter. I don't think that is out of order. Thank you so much. We wish you well, and we want to hope that the things will be sorted out, and we'll do our bit as EACC. Thank you so much.